Welcome guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard laptop motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this is all specifications and configurations and details also. Then click to product. Then click on the title. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required driver. So you can install and watch this video to install the driver. And both are also there. It's Windows 10 and 11 like that. So Bluetooth driver, and see this is Bluetooth driver 8851. This is version and this is latest. And click to download and open this driver and double click to access this. Then yes. And closed.